In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing and connectivity problems on XIAOMI Black Shark Pad 7. So let's start with pairing. Now, before you try to pair your device, you're gonna have to make sure that you put it into pairing mode. Usually you can do this by pressing your home button several times, or also by holding down the pairing button if you have it, and then you just have to wait for the lights to start blinking on your Bluetooth device. After that, swipe down the control center on your tablet, hold your finger down on Bluetooth, and then if your device isn't suggested right here, tap pair Bluetooth device and select it from the list. Tap pair and wait until it's paired with your tablet. Now, if you have connectivity issues, so for example you have already paired your device but you cannot connect to it in here, then tap the gear icon next to it, select forget your device, and then try connecting it once again in the very same way that we did before. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode, wait until the lights start blinking, and simply pair with it. And if it's not helping, scroll down to System on the sidebar, then scroll down to Reset Options and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Confirm, and then pair your Bluetooth device once again. And after that, your issue should be resolved. Let me just put my headphones into pairing mode. And if you're still experiencing any kind of Bluetooth issues, then go to your device's settings, scroll down to System, open System, and perform a system update by going to System Updates, check for updates, and if you have an update to install, for which you're gonna need internet access as well. If you have some update, then download and install it. And if you don't have an update, then at least restart your tablet by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. After the restart, most probably your issue will be resolved. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.